Ready to tackle the dream home project without breaking the bank? Here's your ultimate guide to using Affirm at Home Depot. First, at the Home Depot checkout, simply let your cashier know you'd like to use Affirm as your payment method. The cashier will guide you through the process. You'll be prompted to enter your name, email, mobile number, and the purchase amount on a tablet or your own device. Affirm will then perform a soft credit check, which won't impact your credit score, and present you with personalized payment options. You'll see options for different installment plans, typically ranging from 3 to 36 months, with clear information on interest rates and monthly payments. Choose the plan that best fits your budget, and if approved, confirm your purchase by entering a quick verification code sent to your phone. Your Home Depot purchase is now financed. You'll receive an email from Affirm with your payment schedule and details. Managing your payments is super easy. You can log into your Affirm account on their website or app to view your balance, make early payments, or set up autopay. Now, it's time to bring your home improvement visions to life with the flexible payment power of Affirm at Home Depot.